Hello everybody, it's Abroad That Travels, and today we're in Montevideo, Uruguay. This is our first time here, and if you don't know, if you're new to the channel, I live on cruise ships most of the year, and this week we're on a cruise that went out of Buenos Aires, Argentina, and we're going down the coast all the way to Ushuaia, and we have multiple stops on the way there, and this is just the first stop, Montevideo. And it looks beautiful so far. I can't wait to share it with you all, so stay tuned. Like our first stop here. Wow, look at that. That's cool. We're at our first stop here in Plaza Zabala, and there's this beautiful statue behind us and people just enjoying their Sunday. Not a lot of people out. It's kind of like a ghost town right now, but hopefully we'll see some more people, see some exciting things happening, but just enjoying a peaceful Sunday in the park. That was me with the choripan in Buenos Aires. Yeah, in my country this means something quite different. Look at all the AC units. That's crazy. Now this seems like the place to be. Lots of tourists, maybe some locals. Beautiful square. So we're here at the Plaza Independencia. That was a hard word for me to say. And it looks like this is where everyone's at. This seems to be the historic, eye-catching area. And you can tell why, because it's absolutely beautiful. And I realized that it's a Sunday, and that's why all the businesses are closed. That's why it's pretty quiet around here. Hate it for us, love it for the people of Montevideo. I wish more people would take Sundays off. That sounds great. But I kind of wish we could try more things, go to more businesses. But you know what? It's okay. We're enjoying a nice walk, and it's a beautiful day here. Alright, we walked around like the entire city square, and there were some really interesting historical sites, and mostly just the people who were walking around were just tourists like us. So it was kind of interesting seeing how the city is on the weekends and things like that. But we're gonna head over to the market and see if we can maybe try some food or see what type of shops they have and things like that. Not a lot's open, so I'm hoping I find something good. We just found this really cool market. It's an artisan market with a lot of different vendors and a lot of wonderful pieces of artwork. It's cool to see some local artists as opposed to some of the more, you know, mass manufactured souvenirs and things like that. So this store is really cool. And I feel like we're getting into some more vibrant areas closer to the port. And we'll see what else we find. We're here at the market by the port, and I walked around and found some treasures. There was this really sweet old man, and he was selling his paintings, and he was painting right there. I could see him doing the watercolors, so I got this beautiful painting. I love it. I think it's absolutely stunning. This guy's very talented, and we talked a little bit in Spanish, and he was so sweet. I loved it. And a couple little prints. Isn't that sweet? How cute. A little something to remember our trip by. We were hoping to try some local food, but as you can see, a lot of these places are closed today. So that's kind of unfortunate. We could have eaten back in the market, but we were reading online that it's kind of tourist trap, so that's alright. We ate a lot of really good food in Buenos Aires, and I feel like I'm still full from that. So we're just gonna walk back to the cruise port, and we had a really nice walk and enjoyed seeing some sights here in Montevideo. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do if you'd like to see more content like this, and we'll see you in the next port. Bye!